Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to customize the appearance of your Grok AI app to match your personal style or comfort on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. To get started, open the Grok app on your phone. In the top left corner, you will see a menu icon that looks like a series of lines. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile picture. Next, look for the option labeled Appearance and tap it. Here you will find 4 different choices. You can choose System to let your phone automatically adjust to your system settings. Select For You for a personalized experience. Or you can manually choose dark or light mode depending on your preference. Once you select your favorite look, the changes will be applied immediately. And that is how simple it is to customize the appearance of Grok. Do you prefer the sleek look of dark mode, or is light mode your go-to? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.